right, welcome to Dave's Cooking Show, and for you today, we have an almond chicken salad. All right, let's make the breading. First, we have a cup of almonds, followed by a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of paprika, a half a teaspoon of oregano, a half a teaspoon of salt, and a half a teaspoon of thyme. Then you're just going to want to pulse this until everything is ground together. You're also going to want at least one egg beaten, but I decided to, I think I went with 2 or 3 eggs. But basically, you just want to beat the egg senseless and then do the whole wet hand, dry hand thing. And then, yeah, just pulse it. Kind of knock it around, make sure everything gets incorporated. And there we go. Let's move on. All right, time to bread the chicken. By the way, before you do any of this, preheat your oven to 375 degrees and get a baking sheet out and line it with parchment paper. Now you can see here I've taken a chicken breast, cut it down, cut it in half lengthwise, as you can see here. And I did pound it a little bit out flat. And then you just want to bread your chicken. Place them on your baking sheet, and you want to bake this for approximately 25 minutes. Or until, obviously, it reaches 160 internally. Okay, now we got to make our honey lime vinaigrette. So, to a half a cup of olive oil, you want to add a 1/4 cup of lime juice. Then you want to add about a half a teaspoon of kosher salt. And of course, what's salt without about a half a teaspoon or so of freshly ground black pepper. Then you want to add a teaspoon of sugar, followed by roughly 2 tablespoons of honey. Then you want to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, followed by a 1/4 teaspoon of cumin and a teaspoon of Dijon mustard. Then you just want to pop the top on and mix this around till everything is well incorporated, and that is our honey lime vinaigrette. Okay, let's start assembling the salad. What we have here is some hearts of romaine that I chopped up, and now we have that almond chicken that I made and sliced. And I'm going to zoom in a little closer here so you can kind of see what I'm doing. Then you want to add some craisins or dried cranberries. Add some blue cheese to your liking, or cheddar if you don't like blue cheese. And then some mandarin oranges. And we're just going to drizzle a little bit of our dressing on it. And that's really it. Almond chicken salad. Done.